Hello everybody, this is Ben Ditmar here again. Today is March 19th, 2020, and this one here has been kind of an ongoing project here for the last week and a half or so. I picked this motor up about 2.5, 3 weeks ago, and it's a 1979 99 Johnson. I'm not sure if that hood is correct. When I purchased it, it did not come with a hood. This motor was in pretty rough shape. It basically had been turned into a parts motor. People were scavenging parts off of it. But, I went through, checked it out. Compression leak down on it was good. So I figured might as well put it back together. This motor has had all the 15 goodies put on it. So it's got a 15 carb and a 15 cylinder head on it, which the previous owner had done to it. When I was working on it, I started with the gear case on it. When I pulled the gear case off, the drive shaft stayed stuck in the crankshaft, which is always kind of a pain. So I ended up having to pull the power head on it, and so I could get in there and get the drive shaft out. And it turned out that it was just, the drive shaft was just stuck in there from like goop. It wasn't rust, it was just goo. So I did that. Some of the power head bolts and the exhaust tuner bolts broke, so I had to drill out like 4 of them and retap. And so then I just, resealed the gear case on it today, put a new water pump kit in it. A few days ago and stuff like that, I did the power head work, did a carb kit on it, put a new fuel pump on it, new fuel hoses, and we're giving it a run. So I'll give you a little demonstration on this. So it still needs some trinket stuff, like the recoil handles, still needs to be done. It needs a bushing in the choke knob, and it needs a water telltale. But it seems to be running pretty good. Pumping water well. And of course, when I had the power head and the exhaust tuner off, I took care of that upper water tube grommet. It turned out well. It's got a nice idle to it. Starts right up. I had to put a power pack on it also. And I think that was probably the actual problem with the motor and why, somebody quit using it. All the smoke because when I'm running, I mix my gas 2 ways. I mix it 16 to 1 or 32 to 1 because I'm always bringing motors back to life. So the 2-line pressure tank's mixed at 16 to 1. My single line tank is mixed at 32 to 1. But anyway, that'll do it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye.